Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. Loosen the captive screws holding the base cover in place. Using a plastic scribe, pry the base cover from the palm rest assembly, starting at the top edge and working your way around to release it from all sides. Now lift the base cover from the palm rest assembly. Disconnect the battery cable from the system board. Identify the speakers and remove the piece of tape. Disconnect the cables and lift the speakers out of the system. To reinstall the speakers, place them back in the system. Reconnect the cables and reattach the piece of tape. If the battery cable was disconnected earlier, make sure to reconnect it to the system board. Next, align the base cover with the palm rest assembly and gently place it into position. Tighten all required screws to secure the base cover in place. Connect the AC adapter and press the power button. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.